Good morning. My name is Tyria Stokes, and I am from Jersey City, New Jersey. Currently reside in Newark, New Jersey. I'm 35 years old, and I am the mother of one son, Zion. He's a miracle child. I was told I could not have children, and God blessed me with him, and that is Zion. As we know, I attend Ashford University and I'm getting my master's in education with a concentration in family and community services. Family and community means a great deal to me. My professional background, I am an interventionist right now. I have been that for about 6 years now. I've been in education for 10 plus years. I once was an assistant dean. I also started as office manager of a charter school. I worked in charter schools for it's been about 10 years now. And like I said, I am an interventionist where I pull small groups from ELA classes and do small instruction with the students. I also have my own nonprofit organization, Community Outreach Transformation Station, where we actually unite students from high schools in Jersey City. And we do character building through performing arts. That is something that is very passionate to me. This year, it is my goal to actually plan an event for next year using the building where I will be in for school. And we are going to try to actually do a Broadway play at the school. And we're going to actually bring together all stakeholders. So it will be teachers, staff, students, parents, community, and we're going to actually try to do a play using all of those components. I believe that it is very important to bridge the gap between community and school. It makes a great difference in the lives of our children. And here that leads me to why I decided to get my master's. I would like to be a stakeholders engagement specialist. And again, that's simply just bringing all of those together who have hands on with the children's academic success and making sure that we are doing our part in the lives of our children to make sure that they can succeed well. I can remember as a child, my mom was very, very, very active, especially when I was in high school as the parent council president, and I was a senior class president, junior class vice president, and it was just my mom and I who always worked together to make sure that that unity stuck together. We had many different events, be it at that time when prayer was allowed in schools. We used to have prayer breakfasts with the parents and the students and the staff. We would all come together and do different things. We would go on trips together with parent and staff and students outside of just the regular school day. We would do different events and just making sure that that unity sticks together. I believe that when the children see that all are sticking together, there is really not much room for slack and lack because everybody is hands on and encourage them to do their best. I cannot wait to see what this class holds for us and just getting the different ideas of how to bring the communities together and have a great 6 weeks.